Lesson: Verifying and Validating Requirements. Verifying and validating requirements is a crucial aspect of business analysis, especially for those pursuing the Certified Business Analysis Professional certification. Within the framework of requirements analysis and design definition, verifying and validating requirements ensures that stakeholders' needs are accurately captured and that the final product aligns with these requirements. This lesson delves into actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can implement to enhance their proficiency in this area. Verification and validation serve distinct but complementary purposes. Verification focuses on ensuring that requirements are well-defined, complete, and free of errors. This process involves reviewing requirements documents and models to confirm their correctness and consistency. Validation, on the other hand, is about ensuring that the documented requirements truly represent stakeholders' needs and that they will lead to a successful solution when implemented. A fundamental tool in the verification process is the Requirements Traceability Matrix. The RTM is a document that maps and traces user requirements with test cases. It ensures that all requirements defined for a system are tested in the test protocols. The matrix provides a means to systematically capture and track the requirements, ensuring that each one is addressed during the validation phase. For example, a business analyst working on a new software project can use an RTM to ensure that every functional requirement is linked to one or more test cases, thereby verifying that all aspects of the requirement will be tested. Peer reviews and inspections are another practical approach to verifying requirements. These methods involve stakeholders reviewing the requirements documentation to identify defects and areas for improvement. By engaging a diverse group of stakeholders, including developers, testers, and end users, peer reviews help to uncover assumptions and ambiguities that the original author may have overlooked. This collaborative approach not only improves the quality of the requirements, but also fosters a shared understanding among stakeholders. When moving on to validation, prototyping emerges as a powerful tool. Prototypes are early models of a product built to test concepts and gather user feedback. They allow stakeholders to interact with a tangible representation of the requirements, which can reveal misunderstandings about what the final product should achieve. Prototyping is particularly useful when requirements are complex or not well understood by stakeholders, as it provides a visual and interactive way to confirm their needs. For instance, in a case study involving a new banking application, a prototype allowed users to explore the interface and functionality, leading to critical insights that refine the requirements before full-scale development began. Another effective validation method is user acceptance testing. UAT involves stakeholders using the product in a real-world setting to ensure it meets their needs and expectations. This phase is crucial because it provides the final opportunity to identify discrepancies between the requirements and the developed solution before it goes live. The success of UAT hinges on clearly defined acceptance criteria, which are derived from the original requirements. By validating the product against these criteria, stakeholders can confirm that the solution aligns with their needs and is ready for deployment. To implement verification and validation effectively, professionals can follow an iterative, feedback-driven process. This process begins with capturing and documenting requirements, followed by verification through peer reviews and traceability matrices. Once the requirements are verified, prototypes and UAT are used to validate them with stakeholders. Throughout this process, feedback is continuously gathered and used to refine and improve the requirements. This iterative approach ensures that requirements are both accurate and relevant, reducing the risk of costly rework later in the project lifecycle. A compelling example of the importance of verifying and validating requirements can be seen in the Denver International Airport baggage handling system case. The project, which was plagued by numerous issues, suffered from inadequate requirements verification and validation. The lack of thorough stakeholder engagement and testing led to a system that failed to meet user needs, resulting in significant delays and cost overruns. This case highlights the necessity of rigorous verification and validation processes to avoid similar pitfalls. In conclusion, verifying and validating requirements is an essential practice for business analysts aiming to deliver successful projects. By employing tools such as the Requirements Traceability Matrix, peer reviews, prototypes, and user acceptance testing, professionals can ensure that requirements are both accurate and align with stakeholder needs. The iterative, feedback-driven process not only enhances the quality of requirements, but also fosters stakeholder collaboration and buy-in. Through real-world examples and case studies, it becomes evident that the cost of neglecting verification and validation can be substantial, underscoring the importance of these practices in achieving project success.